dropped like crazy. Right? So you have that relaxing. It's been relaxing for a while. And now you're just going to cut out the matching pieces. This one we cut out last week, 5 by 15. So now we cut a bottom piece, 5 by 15. And you can see I'm like placing them with its matching pair on tray. These ones were the 3.5 or 3.25. Whatever cutter you use to cut this, you're cutting a bottom now. I put them beside each other too. And the same for this. It's just the rim cutters. Okay. These ones are in the metal bin beside the spider web. Okay. All of your tops are in the freezer, so if you pull them out, they should be fine at room temperature. This one I want to bake right away after I assemble it. So this one's quite easy to put together. You just need your glue, and then you're going to put it just on the edge. And then glue the tops on top. But before you place it in the oven, you need to, I'm just going to line it up, make sure it fits perfectly. So, and then on the top, just on the top, I'm going to put some egg wash. But remember not to put like lots of egg wash because we want it to rise. If you put too much egg on the edges, it's going to seal it shut when it's about to rise. I'm just going to touch just the tops with egg wash. And mine is weird because I have no one to share my sheet pan with. But you guys can probably pick 2, maybe even 3 people. And I suggest 2, but you can keep it on either side, right? Before this goes in the oven, get a new parchment and place it on top. And then with my fingertips, I'm just going to attach the parchment to the top of these lids where I put the egg wash. Just a touch. Because when this bakes, as it rises, the paper is going to rise everybody else with it. So this is ready to, this one. Hold my egg wash. Like that. So this is ready to bake. And then, for these ones, mine are still a little bit firm. So I'm just going to let that hang out. But the bottom of each one, you can place here. And it gets 100 grams of your almond cream. So the almond cream that you made last week, just stick it in a bag. And then pipe out 100 grams just in the center, making sure you leave an edge for egg wash to seal it. Like that. And then I'll place it back on here, and I'm going to put egg wash around the edge. Make sure you don't put the filling right up to the end because it's going to come out, and we want the filling to stay inside. And then as soon as this defrosts a little bit, it's going to get ready. I'm just going to press it on top where the glue is. Right? I'll just go like this for now because I know it's going to defrost, and then I'm going to do it. Okay, so get these in the oven right away. Get your 100 grams on here. And then this one is still hard. So I'll show you this assembly when it defrosts. I'll call you over. But in the meantime, as soon as you assemble this, you can put it in the fridge. Okay, just glue it shut. We'll be baking these tomorrow. We're baking those today. I'll show you what it looks like when it's fully baked. But the color will be the same as the cream ones. And then in the meantime, I want you guys to mix your croissant and Danish doughs. But this time we're laminating tomorrow. We're locking in and laminating tomorrow. So guess where the trempe lives? In the fridge. Whereas if we were to mix it tomorrow, you'd stick it where to rest? In the freezer. So you guys get to choose on those 2 days that you decide to do your stuff. Okay? Any questions about this? No? Okay, awesome. So remind me, I'll make sure you have
Chef, I didn't get the last part.
I didn't get it. With what?
So we put the tramp because we're gonna do the goulash tomorrow. We're
Yeah,
gonna
you're
put
gonna
the tramp
lock in and laminate tomorrow.
tomorrow. So we're gonna put it in the fridge.
Yeah, the
But
tramp
when
in
do
the
we put it in the
fridge.
freezer?
If you want to lock it in today.
Ah, and then we put the whole paton on the fridge.
Yeah,
Oh,
the
okay.
tramp in the fridge.